Hello friends, every step I'm about to share comes directly from technicians who work every day in this appliance and printer repair shop with a lot of experience. So don't worry, we're going to fix this. When a customer comes into the shop with their printer showing the infamous B203 error, we always start by saying something simple. Your printer thinks the print head is failing, which is why it locks up. Many people tell us things like, I was printing and it suddenly stopped working, or I can't even print a single page, and that's when we know the inspection has to go straight to the print head and the cartridges. In many cases, what we find first is that the problem comes from something as simple as a dirty print head or incorrectly installed cartridges. Customers tell us, I cleaned the cartridges and nothing happened, or I just replaced one cartridge and B203 started showing up. The technicians at the shop explain that this happens because the ink flow isn't consistent, whether it's dried ink, low-quality cartridges, or dirty contacts. Canon also recognizes this. Some models are very sensitive to non-original cartridges, and this triggers the B203 as a protection measure. So the first thing we do is check the cartridge installation and gently clean the print head. However, sometimes cleaning isn't enough and the problem persists. That's when we focus on the electronics of the print head and the control board. Some customers come in saying, I tried everything and it still won't print, and that's when we start suspecting that the print head or the board is damaged. In the shop, we usually say, if cleaning doesn't work, the print head or the board probably needs to be checked. Canon recommends in these cases going to an authorized service center because trying to force a repair can cause bigger damage. Also, sometimes we see that dried ink buildup or dust in the nozzles blocks the flow. Customers tell us, I opened the printer, cleaned it carefully, and it started printing again for a while. This confirms what we see in the shop. Internal cleaning can give the printer a second life, but if the B203 error keeps appearing, it's a sign the print head is too worn and may need replacement. As we always say in the shop, cleaning helps, but it's not a miracle if the part is already damaged. Another detail many customers overlook is using low-quality compatible cartridges. They tell us, I bought a cheap replacement and B203 started showing up. The printer detects irregularities in the ink flow or the contacts and automatically locks printing. That's why we always stress, using original or certified cartridges prevents these problems and protects the print head in the long run.